just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing this simple and easy tutorial. To start this, you need a sleeve pattern. If you do not know how to draft a sleeve pattern, do check the description box below or the comment section for the link. For the design, you can use 2.5 for short, you can use 4 inches for medium, and you can use 6 inches for if you want it to be large. This design is going to sit about right here on your sleeve. So now to determine the length you need to cut out, just place your sleeve on fold, take off 1/2 inch from the top. Now you can just eyeball the measurement you want to use. I think I ended up settling for 4.5 inches. So now you can see it's going to be in a circle like this. Now I'll just go on and cut that 4.5 of my fabric. I am using a satin fabric for this. You can use crepe, you can use scuba, you can use Ankara, you can use prints. So now I am going to plus 4.5 by 2 and add 2 inch for allowance. Now I am taking 11 inches all around. This is the amount of fabric I need for my circle. Now place your fabric on fold, place on another fold. Now we're going to start marking the 4.5 inches that we took on our sleeve. We're going to start marking it on the fabric. Now once you're done cutting, you would have a full circle. Now get your lining and also iron your interfacing on your fabric. I am using soft wardy. Now place your fabric's good sides together and stitch all around it and leave a little space to turn this out. Now next thing you're going to do is to go in and fold in the left out place and close it up. Now I would fold this over and fold again so as to get the midpoint. Now I will just start creating my guideline on how I want my ruffles to go. Now right here is going to be my starting point, and for you to know the amount of fabric you need to work with, just go on and place your tape rule on the guideline mark and start measuring until you get to the midpoint mark. Mine is 40 and I would cut out 40 times 3. So whatever your guideline mark is, times it by 3. Now I have 120, and that is what I cut out on my fabric for the pleating. And the width of the fabric is about 5 inches. That is what I am using. You can make yours longer, and it's going to be on fold. And I am also going to be adding interfacing to this. I am using hard stay. You can use soft stay or any interfacing of your choice. Now I will go on and iron my interfacing on my fabric, which I have done. Now I will place these two together and join the piece together. Now as you can see, I am done joining my pieces together. Now I would fold over good sides together at the edge and stitch, and I would also do the same at this other end. And when I am done stitching, I would go on and turn it out and join good sides together so as to hold it down for easier pleating. Now that you're done doing that, make sure you overlock, but for this tutorial I won't bother doing that. So now I will just go on and start sewing on the guideline mark and I will just continue pleating and keep sewing on the pleats, and I'll keep following the guideline mark until I get to the midpoint. This is very much self-explanatory. Now, as you can see, I have gotten to the end, and I will just continue pleating and I will stitch and finish this up. And as you can see, this is what it is looking like right now. Now, this is how you stitch on your sleeve. Fold your sleeve over a notch so as to get the midpoint. Now, make sure you take out about 1 inch to create allowance for joining to your bodice. Now, place your ruffle on your sleeve and start stitching on it. What I am doing here is making my stitches on that surface fabric where I placed my pleats guideline, and I am just taking my pleats backwards so as not to get my pleats tangled with the stitches. And here is the finished look, guys. Please do make sure you like and subscribe, and hope to see you in more videos. Bye. See ya.